To create a random number in Excel, simply go to your cell, hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial I want to show you how you can create a random number in Excel sheet. So as you can see here guys, okay, so guys, go to the cell that you want to add a random number, type equal rand, close the parentheses, then click enter. You can drag and drop this decimal number as you can see. Okay, if you want guys to add a random number between two numbers, it's so easy, but here guys you should to change the function. So type again rand between, as you can see. Okay, set the button number, let's say 1 and 10. I want a random number between 1 and 10, then close the parentheses. Okay, now drag and drop to all the column. Okay, as you can see guys, here we have a collection of numbers between 1 and 10. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.